Welcome back to my channel. I have another grocery haul to share with you guys. Yesterday we went out to Save a Lot and I wanted to restock the freezer with some meat, and of course I picked up other things along the way. So first off, I got some 1 dozen of eggs, got some of these cocktail smokies, some cheddar broccoli rice, grabbed a pack of these old-fashioned pecan sweet rolls, got a box of Cheez-Its, got some of the Westcott brand canola oil. It's a non-stick spray, Worcestershire sauce, I don't know, I've never been able to say that right. Anyways, got that. These are from the Kurtz brand, some of the steak sauce from them. It's pretty good. I think personally it's comparable to A1. I picked myself up one of these French vanilla iced coffees. Got a can of jumbo butter biscuits. There's 8 in here. To go with that, I also got some country sausage gravy from Libby's. That's pretty good. A can of cream of mushroom from Caskey's brand. Del Dino's is also a Save a Lot brand. So I got 1 can of spaghetti meatballs and 1 can of mini O's of meatballs. I got 2 cans of the Wildwood pinto beans. I like to make soup beans in the crock pot, and I don't use like the dry beans. I just buy the canned beans. It's much easier and quicker. But yeah, so I got 2 of those. I got 2 Jiffy Bread corn muffin mixes. We like this sweet cornbread, and I'll fix it with the beans as well. I got a box of stuffing, chicken kind. I like that one. And I got this to pair with shake and bake chicken one night. I also got one of these pasta salads on the side, the ranch and bacon one. This is really good. I usually get the one at Walmart. It's like a name brand one. I can't even remember the name, but I decided to try Save a Lot's. I love this pasta salad. So does Connor. And I also got an original chicken coating from the Markham brand. Get 2 packets of the crumb mix and 2 shaker bags. I like this for my chicken. And I got a box of World's Fair cake cups. There's 24 in here because ice cream is good any time of year, even in the winter. I also got a box of vanilla ice cream. Yes. Yummy. From Coburn Farms, I got some of these little squeezable yogurts. I got Connor the strawberry banana. They also have like blueberry and strawberry by themselves. You get 8 tubes in here, and he really likes these, you know. So, got those for him. We also got a package of bacon, and we've been eating the turkey sausage and turkey bacon, but I like regular bacon for beans. So that's how my nanny fixes her beans, and that's how I want to continue fixing my beans. They are so good, but they remind me of her, so I'm gonna fix them like that. And I got some Texas toast garlic. Also, the reason why you don't see any steamed veggies in this one or any canned veggies and things like that in this haul is because I have a complete stocked cabinet of nothing but canned veggies and a freezer that is stocked with those Bird's Eye steamable packs. So I didn't need any veggies. I needed some meats. Oh, also, I forgot to get out of the refrigerator because I've had this stuff put up and filmed when I got a chance to film. I still wanted to share the haul with you guys. I did get a head of cabbage and a head of lettuce. Yes. So I got some of this beef tip meat. It's like a stew meat, basically. And at Save a Lot, they have certain packs of meat that are picked out that are pick 5, you get 5 for $20 basically. And I always at least get 1 pick 5. It's just John and I and Connor, and most of the time Connor don't eat a lot of meats except for like chicken. So these little packs here feed John and I sometimes 2 meals even. So The beef tips, we like them marinated, cooked in the oven, and served with rice. It's so good, and probably like steamed broccoli usually. So good. Got a pack of the cube steak, one of John's favorites. Got some thin cut pork chops, and I got some pork cutlets. Got 2 packages of ground beef for some meals. I want to make vegetable soup again and all that stuff. So I finally got all my stuff for that the other day at Walmart. And I got this big package of drumsticks. There's probably 8 drumsticks in here. Like I said, I've had this in the freezer because I couldn't get to filming right away. But yeah, basically that's our Save-A-Lot haul. And this was about $100 worth of stuff, give or take, which is not bad because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I got about 9 full meals out of that. $100. And like I said, most of these meals will feed us not just for dinner, but leftovers as well next day. So a lot of these meals will do us twice. And yes, that's pretty good, I think, for $100. Stay tuned for more grocery hauls. I hope you guys enjoyed it.